Here we are aboard Conjurer at Aries Pond Boatyard. Conjurer was built in 1909 by C. Manley Crosby. She's now currently owned by Fred Villars of Philadelphia and East Orleans. We were very fortunate to have known Fred from other work to wooden boats, and he purchased Conjurer about 7 years ago up in Brooklyn, Maine, and she was sailed down here to Pleasant Bay, and we hauled her out to replace the stern post. And when we got into the stern post, one thing led to another, and we have completed in a 3-year process a major restoration, including new transom, new keel sections, some new planking, new cabin, new cockpit, new cabin sides, and new decks, and all the finished work restored or new. And she's sailing now, her first full summer this year, and she's real tight and having a great summer. She was used as a sailing ferry from Woods Hole to Nashon Island, and in those sails included luminaries like Theodore Roosevelt and others who were going out to a game and fishing club on the island. And then she was used for fishing for several years, and then ended up in Long Island and was owned by the Grosvenor family, which are known as the family that started National Geographic. And she had a long career in the Long Island, New York area. Conjurer is going to be involved with the OPC weekend, introducing people to sailing on Little Pleasant Bay. And we're hoping to get as many as 10 people aboard for a half hour at a time, maybe a little longer, and be able to have people learn a little bit about catboat sailing, but more importantly learn to appreciate the beautiful waters that we have and are so fortunate to have here